Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. Today we are going to be doing a really fun embroidery project. We are going to be using Dime's Wicked Wonder Vinyl Applique Kit for this project. This kit comes with the thread that you need to do it, also all the vinyl. We will be working with scissor vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and we are going to be making these little witch boots on this pillow. That is a polyfill pillow by Fairfield. I got this at Joann's. It is a 14-inch pillow. I will be using 2 pieces of fabric. I will cut them out at 16 by 16. And we're gonna do it envelope style. And we're just gonna jump right in and get started. This comes with a free design download. So I will link down below to all of these items and where you can pick them up down below in the description box. We're gonna work with our RICOMA EM-1010 today, which is the 10 needle machine that I love to do embroidery with. It stitches it out so much quicker, and I just find that it is absolutely beautiful. So that's how we're gonna make this pillow. So stay tuned, we're gonna jump right in. Okay, so I have my iron all set up and ready to go so that when we go to press the vinyl down, we'll be able to do it here. I'm going to hoop. I'm using a cutaway stabilizer with my 5x7 hoop. And just gonna make sure that that's right there. Actually, I don't think it matters at this point because I cut a piece. I didn't cut it 16 by 16. I just cut a piece off of the bolt that I had, and I cut it much larger than what I want to make the design. So I will center it once I'm done. Then I'm going to push down with my hoop here, and I'm going to pull everything nice and taut here so that we don't have any wrinkles. I did iron my fabric before I put it in here to get any wrinkles out that were there. Don't want wrinkles in your fabric. Okay, so that is done. I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and tight underneath so it doesn't come undone here. Okay. And I want to make sure that my design is going to fit inside of my hoop. So here's our boots design here. I'm going to place that in here. Just make sure that it will, and it does. So I can see that I'm lined up on my lines here. I'm pretty sure you can't see it, but I can. So we're perfect here. I've got my color chart ready to go, printed that off, and I also printed off the instructions on how to, when to put everything together. And I have my design saved on my USB stick, and I'm gonna go set up the embroidery machine and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I have everything set up and ready to go. I've got all the colors chosen, and we're going to be working with the 4 threads that they sent. And also, I'm just going to do a real quick test to make sure that the hoop and the design fit. All right, So there's no funny business going on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start the design. Okay, I'm going to start doing the appliques now and putting them on. All right, so we're done. You can see that it's stitched out really, really well. I love how this turned out. It's so, so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the pillow, and then I will take a picture and show you what it looks like. But first, before we do that, we need to press and make sure that the HTV vinyl sticks down. So I'm going to use one of my embroidery pressing pads, and you can also get those at Designs in Machine Embroidery. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to flip that down. And I'm going to iron from this back side. Okay, I've got that pressing pad right underneath my design, and I'm just going to press for 15 to 20 seconds. Just to make sure that the vinyl is adhering. You don't want to do it for too long. You don't want to melt your threads. Okay, now I will just trim around I'm just going to cut around the little boots. Okay. And now everything is ready for me to do the pillow. That's what it looks like when it's done. I guess I should press that too. Pretty hot, so we'll see if I can still press that out. My voice is starting to go again, so I apologize for that. I've been fighting pneumonia for a month, so there we go. So I'm gonna go off camera and do this because I am losing my energy here. And I will post a picture of it when I'm finished. If you are interested in learning how to do an envelope pillow, I do have a tutorial on my channel already on how to do that. So I will link down below to that. All right, so our pillow is done. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. I went ahead and made the envelope opening of this pillow, as you can see there. And I used a decorative stitch for this. I like that serpentine stitch a lot, and so I did that. I did add a piece of batting to the back of this piece of fabric with our embroidery on it, and I just did some quick stitching on that before I added the back and the pillow. And I think this turned out really, really cute. So I'm gonna put this on my couch upstairs, but I did also add some of these little embellishments that I had just kind of hanging around here. And so this is our final product. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you would like to follow me, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to share it, that's great, because sharing is caring. Don't forget to click the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.